Good morning, student. Today I will revise chapter 2, fraction and decimal. So, first, fractions. A fraction is a number representing a part of a whole. There are three types of fraction: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Proper fraction. When numerator is less than the denominator, it shows the part of a whole. 1 upon 2, 3 upon 8, 4 upon 7 are proper fraction. Now, improper fraction. When numerator is more than the denominator, it represents the mixture of whole and a proper fraction. 5 upon 3, 8 upon 7, 6 upon 5 are example of improper fraction. Now, mixed fraction. Improper fractions can be written in the mixed form as it is the mixture of whole number and a fraction. 2 is to 4 upon 5 and 3 is to 5 upon 6 are mixed fractions. Now, like fractions. The fractions with the same denominator are like fractions. Unlike fractions, the fraction with different denominators are unlike fraction. 1 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 3 upon 6 are like fractions because their denominators are same. And 1 upon 2, 2 upon 7, 6 upon 9 and 4 upon 6 are unlike fractions because their denominators are different. Equivalent fraction. The fraction proportional to each other are called equivalent fraction. It represents the same amount with different fraction. 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6 are equivalent fractions. Now, addition and subtraction of fractions. In order to add or subtract like fraction, we add or subtract their numerator and retain the common denominator. Example, if you want to add 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5. So first we have to add the numerator. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and write the denominator as it is 5. So 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5. Next example, 2 upon 6 plus 3 upon 6. So 5 upon 6 and 5 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So you have to write 2 upon 5. Okay. In order to add or subtract unlike fractions, first we have to find the LCM of denominator of the given fraction. Suppose we have to add 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 3. So we have to take LCM of 3 and 5. The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. And we have to convert it into equivalent fraction with the denominator 15. So 6 upon 15 plus 5 upon 15 is equal to 11 upon 15. We have a second method to subtract and add unlike fractions. So first we have to take the LCM of given fractions. 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21 and we write 21 as a denominator and then divide 21 by 3, the denominator of first fraction. We get 7 and multiply it by the numerator of first fraction. So 7 into 2, 14. Now we have to repeat same process in second fraction. 7 3s are 21 and 3 1s are 3. We get 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. So 17 upon 21. So 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7 is equal to 17 upon 21. Okay. Now subtract 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. Same as we have to take the LCM of 3 and 4. LCM is 12 and 12 we have to write the 12 as a denominator and 12 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. Same as second fraction, 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4. We get 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. 5 upon 12. Multiplication of fractions. Two fractions are multiplied by multiplying their numerator and denominator separately. Example, multiply 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 4. So 2 3s are 6 and 5 4s are 20. So 6 upon 20. So multiplication of 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 4 is equal to 6 upon 20. Second, 1 upon 2 of 9 upon 4. So 1 upon 2 into 9 upon 4. 1 9 is 9 and 2 4 is 8. Same is third, 2 is to 3 upon 5 into 2. So 2 5 is 10 plus 3. 13. 13 upon 5 into 2, 13 into 2, 26, and we have to write the denominator same, 5. 5 1 ja 5, so 26 upon 5. Okay, and you can do other examples. Now dividing a fraction. Dividing a fraction by another fraction is the same as multiplying the fraction by the reciprocal of the other. We get the reciprocal of a fraction by interchanging its numerator and denominator. Suppose we have a fraction 2 upon 5. Its reciprocal is 5 upon 2. So reciprocal of 2 upon 5 is 5 upon 2. Now example, divide 1 upon 8 by 1 upon 4. So first step, turn the second fraction upside down or reciprocal of second fraction. So 1 upon 4 becomes 4 upon 1. Now multiply the first fraction by that reciprocal. So 1 upon 8 into 4 upon 1 is equal to 4 1 ja 4 and 8 1 ja 8. 4 upon 8. Okay. Now we take some more question. First, 2 divided by 1 is to 4 upon 5 and 3 upon 10 divided by 2. Question first. 2 divided by 1 is to 4 upon 5. Student, first we have to change mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 1 is to 4 upon 5 is equal to 9 upon 5. So 2 divided by 9 upon 5. Now we take the reciprocal of 9 upon 5. So reciprocal of 9 upon 5 is 5 upon 9. So 2 into 5 upon 9 is equal to 2 5 ja 10. 10 upon 9. Question second, 3 upon 10 divided by 2. 3 upon 10 divided by 2 upon 1. And we take the reciprocal of 2 upon 1. So reciprocal of 2 upon 1 is 1 upon 2. So 3 upon 10 into 1 upon 2 is equal to 3 upon 20. Okay. Student, I am giving some questions for practice. Students, I will take mock test of maths on next Tuesday. So I am also giving you some multiple choice questions for practice. Okay. So you have to do all these questions at home. Okay students, have a nice day.